Well, hello, Amy. I'm thrilled to be here with you today, talk about your work, the work at Blue Earth Capital, and all the good that you guys do in the world while you're also, I have to say, giving your investors a pretty comfortable investment return.
Thank you, Rob. Excited to be here and excited to chat.
Maybe you could just take a minute there and just tell us where are you guys based
Headquarters for Blue Earth Capital is in Zug, Switzerland, but I am personally based in New York City.
and where would you rather be right now?
Can I not choose the fifth? I'm very happy here in New York City on this fine May afternoon.
No trouble at all. And when did you guys launch both Blue Earth, the firm, and your specific strategy?
So Blue Earth was founded at the end of 2015. We were founded and incubated within Partners Group, and then we spun out and became Blue Earth in 2021. I joined as part of the founding team in 2016.
Excellent. And what do you guys manage now? What's your AUM?
We manage 1.5 billion in total AUM.
And that's in what strategy?
Those are across three different strategies: a private credit strategy, a private equity strategy, as well as a fund investment strategy, also known as the private equity partnerships strategy.
Got it. Amy, elaborate for everyone who's listening. Just tell us in a little more detail what exactly is the thesis behind Blue Earth, and then how do you guys execute on that thesis?
So Blue Earth was set up with really two things in mind. One, to intentionally improve the lives of those underserved and improve the outcomes for the planet while delivering a strong financial return for private market investors. And everything we do is earmarked towards that goal. We are a platform which allows us to deploy those three strategies as mentioned: private credit, private equity, and fund investments into fast growing businesses that operate at the intersection of impact and financial return.
So, Amy, I think I know you guys a little bit, and I would say lots of firms would make the claim that you just made. But you guys really are authentic in your pursuit of that dual-sided strategy. Can you tell us a little bit more about both sides?
Yeah, and maybe before the both sides, I would just highlight one really core difference about the overall institution, which is really actually built into the ownership structure. So our ownership, and we're a fund, we're an asset manager like any other. We have a manager, we manage different funds. Those are managed in an effort to invest in resilient and impactful businesses while delivering financial returns. Fine, I'll get into that in a little bit. But all of this is actually owned by a foundation that is an independent foundation, the Blue Earth Capital Foundation, really keep or really speaking to the mission, which is to say that the profit that we generate from our business ventures is going to then incubate a ecosystem that is kind of closed, an ecosystem that allows us to capsulate further advancements into impact and philanthropy. So that difference in ownership, I think, speaks to the
Hmm.
commitment of Blue Earth Capital as well as the founders and how they thought about setting up this systematic change for impact.
So, Amy, that is a really interesting and unique ownership structure. And I imagine it allows you to do things that perhaps others may not be able to do, if you were owned wholly in the public. Uh, can you elaborate on that a little bit?
There are two main advantages here. One, our ability to stay committed to our vision or mission, which is to deliver top quartile results while remaining confident that the way to do that is by embedding it with deep impact and sustainability. Impact, sustainability, returns, that takes time. It takes a journey, and it oftentimes is not completed on a quarterly schedule as it relates to public markets. It allows us to make long-term strategic decisions. This is the investment, this is our conviction, and we can wait a longer period of time. Furthermore, it also leaves us really shielded from the risk of someone buying us, saying, we're now, there have been a number of these where larger asset managers have purchased impact managers, which raises questions as to what that impact mission and how that impact mission will align to the broader platform. By having that foundation set up and that commitment, it ensures that the vision that we've set out with, that's what we have available to, or that's the pathway forward, and are really our only pathway forward. And secondly, and this is really a luxury, the fact that we have ERS and the foundation as our sponsor, we're able to test out new strategies. The conviction to uh, understand that a new strategy may take some time to bring in external investors to come in. We understand that. So the foundation can sometimes seed some of our new programs and funds, which is really, really wonderful. Oftentimes, the first dollar in is the hardest to raise. So that's been very helpful over time.
Pivoting a little bit to the industry itself. There is this moment we're in right now where there's a lot of discussion about the need for better measurement and accountability. Some say yes, some say it's a burden. How do you feel about that?
I think that it's hard to, or rather, it's difficult to say you're successful at something without being able to measure what it is that you're trying to be successful in. So, with financial return, fine, the return of capital multiple, okay. But even that, like, people can calculate IRRs in different ways, and so there's enough nuance there. The world of impact, the world of impact KPIs and goals associated with sustainability and impact, there is a need for this. Otherwise, we're just we're never going to be able to actually say that we are doing good. Whether the tools are fully there, I think I answered it before. Basically, we're not there yet, but it's these efforts and collaborations that help us, or rather, help push us in that direction.
Well, thank you, Amy. I hope we didn't give you too many headwinds.
No, 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 not at all.